I am Vani Maheshwari, your maths educator from Countryside International School. Today, we will do the recall till now what we have studied in addition. Students, today we will do the second chapter, recapitulation. So, we will revise till now whatever we have done. So, let's start. What do you mean by addition? So, addition is a process whereby we put objects together. That means when we keep all the objects together and when we count the objects, you get one answer. So, that is addition. You are doing the total of the object. When we are doing addition, we should know the terms. If you see here, there are two addend. That means the number which you are adding, they are known as addend, and the total which you get. When you add these two numbers, you get one total, that is known as sum. So here there is the first addend 25, the second one is 32. When you add these two numbers, you are getting one answer. That answer is known as sum. When we are doing addition, there is properties also. Here we are studying about two properties. One is zero property addition and the second one is order property of addition. Now, zero property of addition says that when you add any number, that is when you add to any number or any number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. That means like 6 plus 0, you will get the same answer, that is 6. Or 0 plus 6, then also you get the same answer, 6. Now let's read about the order property of addition. If you look at the first one, that is first addend 14, the second addend is 32. When you are adding these two numbers, you are getting one sum, that is total of these two number, that is 46. But when I am taking the second addend as a first one and the first one as second one, then also you are getting the same answer. That means if you change the order property also, still the answer will remain the same. Now let's do the finding combination of 10 to add. When we add three numbers, first look if any two of them add up to give a 10, then add the third number. The combination of 10 says that if any number by adding you are getting the number 10, then first we will do that and then we will go to the third number, so that it will be quite easy for us to do the addition. Let us see the number of pairs that make 10. Here are some numbers. 10 and 0 make 10. 9 plus 1, it makes 10. 8 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 6 plus 4, or you can say 4 plus 6, and 5 plus 5. These are some numbers which make the answer 10. So let us practice till now what we have done. As you know it, that we will start from ones. So let's start. 9 plus 1, it's a 10. So at ones place it is 0 and the 1 is your carryover. So when we add the tens place value, that is 1 plus 1 plus 2, you will get the answer 4. Let's do the second one. 8 plus 3, it becomes 11. So 1 will be at ones place and the next one will be at tens place. So 5 plus 1 is 7. Let's see the third one. 5 plus 5, that's a 10. So 1 is your carryover. So 1 plus 6 plus 2 is 9. The fourth one is 4 plus 7, it's a 11. So 1 plus 6 plus 1 is 8. Now let's see this. 5 plus 7 plus 1. The answer will be 13. So at tens place, if you add these numbers, you will get one answer, that is 5. Let's move to the next sum. 9 plus 7 plus 2. So 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 becomes 18. At tens place, 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 becomes 5. See the next one. 6 plus 6 plus 5, that is 17. At tens place, if you add these numbers, you will get the answer 7. And the last one, 5 plus 4 plus 2. So the answer becomes 11. So at tens place value, the answer is 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1 is 9. So this is the numbers we have done. And the next topic is story sums. But before starting the story sum, some words of addition we should know. Like sum, plus, in all, how much, total, altogether, add, how many. These are some words which we are using while doing addition numbers. So let's start the story sum. If you look at this question, Mary has 15 cookies and Anna has 29 cookies. How many cookies do they have altogether? So let's find out. Number of cookies Mary has, number of cookies Anna has. So total number of cookies is how much? But here 15 plus 9, it becomes 14. So 1 is your carryover. So 1 plus 1 plus 2, it comes 4. So total cookies are 44. Let's see this one. Sia got 18 red candles and 25 blue candles. How many candles does she have in all? All is a word of addition. So let's start this. Number of red candles, they are 18. Number of blue candles, 25. So 8 plus 5, 13. So 1 is your carryover. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 becomes 4. So total is 43. So Sia got how many candles? 43 candles in all. Bye for now, students. Promise you to be back with another topic. Thank you.